Hi there! Are you tired of that musty, sticky feeling in your basement? Is your laundry taking 3 days to dry? Today we are taking a close look at the Knka Energy Star 4,500 square foot dehumidifier. Knka states this device can pull up to 80 pints of moisture out of the air every single day, covering spaces up to 4,500 square feet. Let's find out if it really works, how loud it is, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Right out of the box, you see the home-friendly design details like the clean white body design and the super functional rainbow style handle. This is a compressor-based dehumidifier. That means it uses a cooling system to literally squeeze the water out of the air. It is rated to remove up to 80 pints of moisture a day under extreme conditions. Think 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 95% humidity. Under normal basement conditions, it pulls about 56 pints a day. That 80 pint capacity is huge. It makes this unit perfect for large basements, big open living rooms, or even your laundry room. Another massive plus, it is Energy Star certified. This means it uses up to 20% less energy than standard models. If you ran a dehumidifier 24/7 in a damp climate, an Energy Star rating is a must-have to keep your electric bill from skyrocketing. Now, let's talk about water. If you were pulling gallons of water out of the air every day, where does it go? Knka gives you 3 ways to handle this, which is super convenient. Option 1 is the built-in water tank. It holds 1.06 gallons. It's great if you are using this in a bedroom, but if your space is truly humid, that bucket will fill up fast. When it's full, the machine beeps and shuts off automatically so it won't overflow. Then there's option number 2, continuous drainage. The box includes a 2-meter or 6.5-foot drain hose. You can hook this up and run it directly into a floor drain or a utility sink. Gravity does all the work and you never have to empty a bucket again. Option 3 is for large spaces where you don't have a floor drain handy. You can actually buy an optional 2.64 gallon external tank, so it provides much more water storage for a longer operation without frequent emptying. Let's look at the control panel. It is simple, clean, and very easy to use. You get 3 main operating modes. Auto mode, this is the default. It aims for a comfortable 50% humidity. The machine will turn on and off automatically to maintain that level. Dry mode, this mode is designed to help speed up drying for laundry or damp spaces. And setting mode, this lets you manually set your target humidity anywhere from 30% to 80%. There are a couple of other super helpful features here. There is a 0 to 12 hour dual timer, so you can choose exactly when the machine runs. There's also a child lock. If you have little ones who love to press buttons, this is for you. You just hold down the lock button and it freezes the settings. And one feature I really love is the 3-color humidity indicator, which gives you a quick visual read of the room's humidity level. And don't worry about power outages. If the power flickers, the unit has a power outage memory and will just turn right back on to your previous settings. If you put a dehumidifier in your bedroom or an open living area, noise is a major deal breaker. 𝐾𝐚 states this unit runs between 40 to 45 decibels. To give you an idea of how quiet that is, a normal conversation is around 60 decibels. At 40 decibels, it really fades into the background. It won't interfere with watching TV, and it's perfect for nighttime running. Maintenance is also a breeze. The air filter on the back is washable. You just slide it out, rinse it off with warm water, let it dry, and pop it back in. Remember, to keep your dehumidifier running efficiently, you should clean this filter every few weeks. Dust and dirt buildup is the #1 reason dehumidifiers break down. So, who is the 𝐾𝐚 Energy Star 4,500 square foot dehumidifier for? If you have a large basement that smells musty, a garage, or a sprawling open concept living space with high humidity, this is a highly effective option. It hits that sweet spot of high moisture removal, quiet operation, and low energy cost. Plus the fact that you can set it and forget it with the drain hose makes it a great investment for homeowners tired of dealing with mildew and damp air. If you are interested in checking it out, I've left links down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you thought this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home improvement and gadget reviews. See you on the next one. Bye for now.